I just finished the Path to Excel Excellence course with Grant because I'm going to be moving into a financial analyst role and I needed to enhance my knowledge with Excel. Though I have a decent foundation, I'm going to be working more in depth with spreadsheets and gathering data, analyzing data, and having to output data that I don't currently do. I was pleasantly surprised at how much I didn't know with Excel and how Grant was able to simplify formulas and processes for me so that in just 30 days, I feel like my knowledge has gained immensely. I now feel very confident to go into my new position. His shortcuts have not only saved me time in my current role, but are going to be a tremendous help in my new one. I appreciate his user guides and his hands on approach that helped me apply what he was teaching me so quickly and effectively. I highly recommend this program to anyone that is looking to just refresh what they already know or would like to gain some more knowledge in Excel that they don't currently have. You will leave this program knowing so much more than what you came in with.